Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix YouTube something went wrong. If you're using YouTube on your iPhone or any Android and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to open any video on YouTube you see an error that something went wrong, please try again later. So let's see some possible fixes about that. So very first you just have to simply go back from here and you have to scroll down your control center. You have to make sure that you have a stable and the strongest network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular data, or you just have to simply go back and open your settings app here. Just go for general, and here go for VPN device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you find a connected VPN here, just go back and go to VPN settings, and you just have to try to disable or disconnect your VPN. Once you have disconnected, simply go back and here you have to retry to open your YouTube app if it's fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, open your App Store or Play Store, go for search, and you have to simply search for YouTube, and you have to make sure that your YouTube app is up to date. There is no any pending updates for your YouTube app. If you find, just try to update your app, and once you have updated your app, it will help to fix your issue, and you have to retry after updating if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you have to try to make a force restart your iPhone or your Android to fix minor glitches. Not to do that, you have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, you just have to unlock your phone, and here you have to retry or you have to recheck if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so this is the only way. You have to simply go to settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage here, and you just have to try to re- reinstall your app, or you can also try to offload your app from here. So just look for YouTube app, and once you find YouTube app, you just have to try to offload your app. And once you have uploaded, just try to reinstall the app. And after reinstallation, if there will be any bug or any malware into your YouTube app, it will be fixing this app and you'll not get the issue again. So in this way, you can easily fix your issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.